Do not start now. I've got match text, man.
Yo, 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 yo! Guys, on Rose's Turkey here. Huge Burps 6. Now today... So, we've got a bit of Black Ops 3 right here.
And I'm going to be playing.
And today it is words. We're going to... Well, Cameron is going to be saying words.
I'm going to be trying to sing words, sing songs, sing words, say words, make funny noises, stuff like that. So, right, I'll start by calling over. No. I'll start by calling something back.
Jesus Christ, you're going in. Oh my God, you breathing so
Right,
in.
guys, we're playing a bit of Black Ops 3 on domination. I'm not going to try the objective. I'm probably going to do really bad because, you know.
Oh my God!
It came out the wrong end, guys.
No.
Right, let's start off by just doing a bit of hard scoping.
Oh.
It's the final count.
Oh, that kind of failed. I'm pretty sure I've still got some left. Oh, missed. Oh, missed. Someone else took the kill. Who cares?
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
That's a good one, that's a good
I'll do
one.
the end part. I didn't have enough.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Oh, I'm dead. Dr. Zeus! Right, I'm going to start pulling some more back. Oh! I couldn't exactly make any words out of that because it came so suddenly. Anyway,
That was like probably the loudest one.
And I'll pull some more back.
Oh my God, that was humongous.
Are you kidding? Oh, I just did about without nothing. Right, I'll try and do another word. What should I say, Dan?
Jingle bells rocks. Jingle bell rocks.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell.
Oh
Yay,
my God!
my first kill!
You were so close.
This class.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, guys. Make sure to drop a like. So, yeah.
Soon as we hit 1 million subscribers,
Yeah,
we will do.
Burping in public.
Yes. No. How this? Burp naked in public.
Yep.
As soon as we hit 1 million subscribers, we will do burping video naked on the street.
We're not even joking.
Literally.
Subscribe now
We
to
only
find
need
out.
1 million of you. 1 million subscribers, and then we'll do a naked public burp. Oh, there's someone.
Anyways, see you guys later.